But of course, you can only see certain things if there's not too many clouds blocking the eclipse on Monday.
George outside of the weather deck to tell us the latest forecast for Monday.
Well, you know, it is trending cloudier, guys.
Oh.
Don't like to hear that, but the latest model runs are showing the clouds from the south spreading further to the north and east. Let's take a look at the broad view of the eclipse path. Where you see red, that is not great. And you can see the eclipse path, a lot of red across Texas, all the way up through the Dallas area, up into the Fort Smith and Little Rock region, and even spreading now into southeast Missouri and southern Illinois. There is some blue and yellow, which is what we're looking for. But Indianapolis now trending a little bit cloudier, a little bit clearer once you get into Ohio up toward Cleveland and Buffalo, but a mixture of clouds and sun around the Rochester area into the northeast. So not looking all that great, especially from Indianapolis south and westward now. We'll just cross our fingers as we get a little bit closer. 13 weather ball is green, no change to the 40s foreseen, and it is blinking bright. We have more rain and snow showers in sight.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And lots of cloud cover around the region. A couple of breaks here and there. You almost think, hey, the sun's coming, and then it starts raining and we get some snowflakes from time to time. We have a new camera courtesy of the Yacht Club up there in Pentwater. It is 40 degrees with a north breeze and relatively calm waters, but temperatures are only in the upper 30s and low 40s. Some areas, especially over the southwestern part of the state, 5 to 15 degrees colder because that cold air has been wrapping around and coming in from the southwest while it's a little bit warmer off to the north. You can see where the low is just spinning right in through here, and that will continue to hang out for another 24 to 36 hours or so. Active weather has now moved off the east coast, still a tornado watch for portions of eastern Virginia. And look what's happening with the severe weather risk overnight along the eastern seaboard. As we go into Saturday, there's a chance of severe weather across Texas all the way up into Nebraska, and on Eclipse Day there's a risk of severe weather from Dallas up to southwestern Arkansas, so it'd be very interesting weather for those folks as well. Upper level low moving on out, but we have rain and snow showers all the way through the day tomorrow, and then on Friday we'll start out with some sunshine, but we'll see some clouds and maybe a sprinkle or a flurry, but the trend is toward drier weather on Friday, sunshine on Saturday, and as we talked about on Sunday, that next weather system coming in a little bit earlier, so that means that's great news for Monday. This rain coming in late in the day is going to move out early on Monday, and I think we'll see mostly sunny skies, at least in most areas, for the eclipse on Monday. As far as rainfall, we get more rain and some snowflakes here during the day tomorrow, so about 0.11 of an inch. There's that late day Sunday rain into just after midnight. Dry Monday and Tuesday, but the end of next week, Wednesday through at least Friday, maybe into Saturday, has more wet weather moving in. The trend is for higher chances for warmer temperatures, though, from the 9th through the 13th of this month, and a high chance we'll continue to see more precipitation during that 5-day period. So tonight, mixture of rain showers, a couple of snowflakes mixed in, low and mid 30s, staying above freezing for the most part, so anything that does fall will just be wet. Low 30s north and mid 30s here in the greater Grand Rapids area. 13 on your side forecast. So dry Saturday and most of Sunday until late in the day, ending Sunday night. For the eclipse here in Grand Rapids, 94% covered with the sun, with some sunshine, and 67 Tuesday. Second half of next week, though, Wednesday through at least the following Saturday, looks like some wet weather, but at least warmer. 50s to near 60.
That's encouraging.
Warmer. We'll keep an eye on that cloud cover on Monday, though.
We all
like
are.
to change. Thank you, George.
Been a kind of a blustery day here in West Michigan with some sunshine and some rain and even some snow showers from time to time. What's ahead for your Thursday, getting toward the end of the week? 13 weather ball is green. No change to the 40s foreseen. And it's blinking bright. We have more light rain showers and snow in sight.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And as far as our weather goes, we are looking at yellow paw for Savannah. Yeah, I feel that way too. Just kind of cuddle up because rain this evening, some rain and snow showers in the morning for Caitlin and Zach. Take you out for a walk, maybe a break right around 10 o'clock tonight, but generally a very chilly night and start to the day. Tomorrow, maybe another break or two in the clouds, but not a lot of green energy being generated by the sun. And in terms of winds are going to be tolerable. They've been rather breezy this month of April, but not so much here tomorrow. We've had some pockets of clouds and rain and even snow showers from time to time. Right now we got a little bit of sunshine out here on the weather deck, but you can see these spotty showers right around that low pressure system hanging out over southern Lake Michigan. It'll be another 36 hours before that finally moves to the east. All of the active weather has moved well away from the state of Michigan. That low pressure system will finally exit the region later on tomorrow. There it goes down over Lake Erie, but we start to see a northerly wind kick on in with some scattered rain and snow showers. Calm down here on Thursday night. We actually maybe become mostly clear for a while, but then some pop-up scattered light rain and snow showers. Very few of those on Friday, but generally a trend towards some sunshine at the second half of the day. We'll start the day with sunshine, end the day on Saturday with sunshine as well, and overnight Saturday night, a clear night as well. On Sunday, we've been talking about this rain coming in at the end of the day. That's the good news. It's going to move out early on Monday, so that is good news as well. We'll see mainly clear skies throughout the day on Monday for the eclipse here in West Michigan. As far as our long-range outlook, this is April 11th through the 17th, middle of the month. That 7-day period, most, if not all of the country has high chances for warmer than average readings with the exception of the Rio Grande Valley around Texas. And the storm track is now a little bit further away from us, so the southern states and the eastern states will have a higher risk for more rain. Meanwhile, much of the Midwest and here in West Michigan, we have an equal chance or a higher chance for less precipitation. It's going to be wet at the end of our 10-day forecast. Tonight, though, kind of wet from time to time, mainly cloudy, a couple of raindrops and some snowflakes mixed in, staying at or above freezing at the lake shore. Up north, you'll be around freezing or higher, but no risk of any slippery conditions as rain and snow showers on and off. And here in the greater Grand Rapids zone, pretty much the same thing. 32 the cool spot in Kalamazoo, 34 here in Grand Rapids. 13 on your side forecast. So fewer showers here tomorrow with snowflakes and even fewer yet on Friday. Saturday we'll see sunshine and most of the day on Sunday before the rain moves in late in the day and overnight. Ending for the solar eclipse here in West Michigan. 94% of the sun covered in the afternoon, a high of 60. 67 Tuesday, that's the warmest out of the next 10 days. And then the second half of next week, Wednesday through Saturday, looks pretty wet, but it should be mild.
Quickly changing skies today. 1 minute you have blue sky and a peak of sunshine. The next, it's raining.
Yeah, it's one of those days. It's in mid-April, early April, and anything can happen. Yeah, it has definitely been another blustery day, but at least we saw a bit of sunshine. And that is going to continue for at least another 24 hours. 13 weather ball is green, no change to the 40s foreseen, and it's still blinking bright. We have more rain and snow showers in sight.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And highs today with a peak at the sun climbed up into the low and mid 40s, including 45 here in Grand Rapids, but our average high is 52, another cooler than average day. We came in within 3 degrees of our forecast high. That's our target range 2 days in a row. We have seen some rain today, generally 1/4 of an inch or less, most of it over here in the Muskegon and Holland area, about 1/3 of an inch in Benton Harbor. Just kind of on and off rain throughout the day, nothing heavy, but it still persists. There are some breaks in the clouds, but you can also see some rain and snow showers just rotating around that low pressure system right over southwest lower Michigan. And this is the weather pattern for tonight. We'll get a break for a while, but it is going to drag down some more moisture tomorrow. That's rain and snow showers to the north, so on and off throughout the day, ending a little bit later on in the afternoon and evening in some locations, and we may actually see some clearing here tomorrow night. But as things warm up on Friday, we may see a sprinkle or a snowflake under mostly cloudy skies before, again, the skies clear later on in the day. So a mixture of some clouds and sun as that storm system finally exits to the east. On Saturday, we've got clear skies to start and end your day. And on Sunday, we've got sunshine to start our day, but the clouds will roll in. We've been talking about these showers coming in. They're going to come in a little bit earlier. Now it's going to be mid to late afternoon, but they're going to move out a lot quicker for Monday. So up through about the eclipse time, we've got mostly sunny skies expected here in West Michigan. That is certainly good news. As far as the long range outlook, after the rain and snow showers here tomorrow, we've got that chance of rain late Sunday into Sunday night. Nothing on Monday during the day or Tuesday, but the second half of next week has about a half to a third of an inch of rain Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and probably into Saturday as well. So no worries about any drought going on here in West Michigan. Scattered rain and snow showers, generally a cloudy day tomorrow, mid 40s to near 50 degrees. Some cases it's just a little bit warmer than today. Mid 40s up north with rain showers and maybe a couple of snowflakes, especially early on in the day. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll see our temperatures up around where they were today, up into the mid 40s. 13 on your side forecast. Dry weather Saturday and most of Sunday before the rain moves in and then ends Sunday night. Sunshine for the most part on Monday, eclipse day, when we get 94% of the sun covered by the moon. 67 and sunny on Tuesday, and then the second half of next week will stay milder than that average high, mid and upper 50s, low 60s, but there'll be quite a bit of rain during that 4-day period.